Unleash the power of geometry on your walls. Imagine walking into a room transformed by bold and dynamic shapes. From captivating triangles to mesmerizing hexagons, we've curated geometric wall paint ideas to elevate your space. Get ready to break free from the ordinary with patterns and colors that redefine your walls. Dive into a world where geometry meets creativity. Stay tuned for a visual feast that'll inspire your next paint project. Subscribe now for a geometric makeover that's anything but ordinary.
Geometric wall painting design can add a modern and visually interesting touch to any space. Here are some ideas to inspire your geometric wall painting project. Geometric accent wall. Choose one wall in a room to be a focal point. Paint large geometric shapes like triangles, squares, or hexagons in bold colors. Gradient geometrics. Create a gradient effect within geometric shapes. For example, start with a dark shade at one corner and gradually transition to a lighter shade. Diamond patterns. Paint diamonds in various sizes and colors for an elegant and dynamic look. Hexagon Honeycomb. Use hexagons to create a honeycomb pattern. You can alternate colors or shades for adding depth. Tape designs. Use painter's tape to create crisp lines between geometric shapes. This method allows for clean and precise patterns. 3D illusion. Create the illusion of three-dimensional shapes by using shading and shadows within the geometric patterns. Mural with geometric elements. Combine geometric shapes with the mural or landscape. This adds complexity and interest to the overall design. Color blocking. Divide the wall into large color blocks using geometric shapes. This creates a bold and modern look. Abstract geometrics. Paint abstract geometric shapes for a more artistic and less structured appearance. Geometric patterns on furniture. Extend the geometric patterns onto furniture or other surfaces for the cohesive look. Optical illusion. Create optical illusion by playing with perspective within your geometric designs. Triadic color scheme. Choose 3 colors evenly spaced around the color wheel to create a vibrant and balanced geometric design. Geometric accent ceiling. Don't limit geometric design to just walls. Consider incorporating them onto the ceiling for a unique look. Nature-inspired geometrics. Combine geometric shapes with elements inspired by nature, such as leaves or petals, for a harmonious design. Monochromatic geometrics. Stick to verifying shades for a single color for a sophisticated and cohesive geometric design. Remember to test your chosen colors and patterns on a small section of the wall first to ensure you are happy with the result. Additionally, feel free to experiment and adapt these ideas to suit your personal style and the specific atmosphere you want to create in your space. Hi there, if you are enjoying the content so far, why not take a moment to hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you shall stay updated with our latest videos and be a part of our awesome community. Join us on this incredible journey. Simply click that subscribe button now and ring the notification bell to never miss an upload. Thanks for being a part of our channel.